In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create symbols in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is bluebeam.com. Once you're in there, proceed to click on this Get Started option in order to get access to their account, or you can also click on this Try It Free to get 14 days of free trial. Once you're in there, you can also head over and buy them by clicking on this Buy Now. Now, into this case, you just need to head over right there. And then, if you already have access, proceed to click onto this login option. So I've already downloaded their software and here it is right there. We just need to draw the symbol and you can use polygon tool or line tool for this case. We have in here some tools to choose from. Let's click on this search and let's search right here for line. And we have in here some from general measurements as well as drawing tools. I'll head over and then just choose right here a pen and can just use it to actually add in here some symbols that you want added. So this is just an example. You can also head over and then erase it or highlight it however you want to as well. Now from in there with the shape, you can just click onto this select option and then select the shape directly. And once you have selected the shape from there, you just need to hold the shift to angle it all together. You can also resize the shape if you would want to as well. So here we have it resized right here. You can move this around as you want. And in this, just double click it to add a text for this. So for example, let's name this now. And it should be able to have it right there directly. Now into this case, to create symbols, you can just add it and right click the completed symbol. And from in there, just proceed to add it to your tool chest if that option is available. You can also add it to flag and also print it off if you would want. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.